Welcome back. Just mentioning a few minutes earlier about Techno Electric being the top gainer on the Nifty 500, 11% higher on that stock. Very strong quarterly results coming in from the company, and Vamakshi is here to decode just that. Vamakshi, good morning.
Good morning, Hormaz. Good set coming in from the company. When you look at the revenue growth, that has come in very strong at almost 86% on a year-on-year basis. When we look at the gross margins, however, they've contracted by around 91 basis points. But given the kind of decline we've seen in other expenses, and the total expenses growth as well was not as much as the revenue growth. So therefore, what we're seeing is that the EBITDA margin has actually expanded by 315 basis points, resulting in a 133% jump in the EBITDA, which came in at almost 127 crores. The net profit too, given the kind of growth that we've seen in other income, is also seeing a very sharp uptick of almost 74%. In fact, the whole second half for the company has been quite robust. But when we look at the company's numbers on an annual basis, revenue is at a multi-year high at 2,269 odd crores. The EBITDA margins too have improved consecutively for the third straight year, and in fact they are at the highest level seen since FY22, and the cash flow for the company, which was negative in the prior year, has now become positive. All of this bodes well for the company. Therefore, we're seeing a very strong uptick.
Thank you very much for that. Now